Alright guys, welcome back to Grim Reaper RC, and today in this video we have a really special body in here. You guys probably already know from the thumbnail and the description, but this is the Jurassic Park body that I have custom painted up for you guys. This is from Axial. It is a Jeep Cherokee body, and it is painted like the Jurassic Park livery on it. So let's just take a peek at this thing right here. This was custom painted up a few weeks ago. It should be all cured and ready to take a look at. So we did paint this up from the Axial AX31337 2000 Jeep Cherokee body. This was the clear body that it was painted from. It's double taped up here, just super protected. There is also some custom stickers on here. You guys can take a peek at it so far. This was from the original Jurassic Park movie. It does still have some of the Axial stickers on there, but this thing is crazy. Let's take it out of the wrapping and take a look at it. Take a good look at this thing. This is the Jurassic Park logo. These are stickers that I got off of eBay. They are waterproof. You guys can see that it still has all of the doorknobs, all of the regular Axial parts. It does have all of the window trim. The top was masked off with some vinyl wrap that is also available on eBay, which made it super simple. You just peeled it off and then you painted all of the different colors on there. Did some yellow first to get the nice little fade going onto it. Now it is kind of dark out here. I am filming outside, so I will be turning on the light just so you guys can see it up close and a little bit better. Has the Jurassic Park license plate on here, which is pretty cool, with the Jurassic Park logo. Even the stickers on here have the radiant window, which is pretty cool. Now these are stickers on the light buckets. The fade is also pretty good. No masking needed on this. It was just some vinyl tape, as I said. The bumper goes on pretty good. So let's get a light going just so you guys can see this a little bit better. Look at how neon those colors are. So this was also part of our movie series lineup that we are doing. I believe this was either number 4 or 5 that we have going on. I will have it down below in the description box. I will also have it linked down below to where you can find all of the parts that I used for this build series. I also will leave some photos in the end of this of how I painted it up. It was a multi-step paint job, as I kind of explained in the video. This is also available for sale on eBay. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. That's it for Grim Reaper RC today. I hope you guys enjoyed.